It's so hot outside. Tonight, what's for dinner is an easy beef burrito skillet. It's quick, it's easy, it's one skillet. You can serve it on paper plates and you're good to go. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And if there are any meals that you would like to see me prepare, please leave a comment below and I'll take a look at them. Thank you. I sprayed the pan with Pam already, and I'm gonna add a pound of ground beef. We're gonna brown this and then I'll drain it. And then once I do that, I'm finished with that, then I'll go ahead and add my other ingredients. Recipe, we're going to need to add tortilla strips. So what I'm going to do is cut these in half and then make strips. So I've already drained the beef. It didn't take too long to cook it. And again, that was 1 pound of ground beef. Now I'm going to add a cup of water, a cup of salsa, a whole can of rinsed and drained black beans, a packet of taco seasoning. Since I have this taco seasoning, 1 packet, which is about an ounce, is equal to about 2 tablespoons, so that's what I have here. And then to add a little more flavor to it, this isn't part of the recipe, but I'm adding this. It's the chopped green chilies. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a whole can of that to it. And I'm gonna mix it around. This is going to be delicious. Ooh, let me turn up the heat a little bit. Okay, this is going to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens a little bit. And then I'll reduce the heat to low. I'm going to stir in the tortilla strips and then cook for 1 more minute. All right, so this is reduced down and I've set it to low. Now I'll be adding the tortilla strips. And then I'm gonna top it with some cheese. And I'll show you the cheese that I'm using right now. I found this cheese, the queso quesadilla cheese. So I'm trying that out. That was 1 cup of cheese. What you're gonna do is on low, you'll put the cover on it and let it cook for about 3 to 5 more minutes. And then when you get ready to serve it, you can serve it with green onions or you can serve it with green onions and sour cream. All right, so this is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up a little bit. As you can see, all the cheese is melted. And it smells delicious. All right, paper plate in hand. Let me get some of this cheese. And there you go, easy beef burrito skillet. That's what's for dinner.